Jealousy can feel natural until it turns toxic. Hey beautiful souls, welcome to Mira TV, your home for real relationship talk and emotional growth. Let's talk about something that quietly ruins even the strongest relationship: toxic jealousy. Now, hear me out. Jealousy is human. Everyone feels it from time to time. But when it becomes a pattern, when it starts controlling your behavior, thoughts, and your partner, that's when it turns toxic. And most people don't even realize it's happening until it's too late. What jealousy really means in the relationship: jealousy often signals fear. Fear of losing them. Fear you are not enough. Fear that what's happened in the past might happen again. I can't stand this. I better protect it. But when we don't confront that fear, we begin to act from insecurity, and that's when love starts suffocating. You're always checking their phone. If you're constantly going through their phone when they are not looking, that's not love, that's control. You're not trying to build trust, you're trying to catch them. And even if there's nothing there, your mind will find something to panic over. Is that what you want for your relationship? Let me share with you some real life example. You see, Vanessa, who started checking her boyfriend's phone because he changed his look screen. She said it's just a password. But deep down, she didn't trust him. That led to daily fights, and eventually he left. Not because he was cheating, but because he felt smothered. You're mad when they talk to others. If you're upset every time your partner talks to someone else, especially the opposite sex, you may be crossing a line. Real life example, let me talk about another one. Friendly banter or flirting. Like Dario, who got angry when his girlfriend laughed too hard at her male co-worker's jokes. She was just being social, but he recalled it disrespect. Soon, she stopped being herself around others just to avoid argument. That's not love. That's emotional imprisonment. Right? Yeah. You need constant reassurance. When you constantly ask, do you love me? Are you sure I am the one? You are not seeking connection. You are seeking survival. You're asking your partner to carry your emotional security. Yeah. The "do you still love me" loop. Michelle asked her fiancé that every single night. At first, he answered sweetly, but eventually he said, "Why don't you believe me?" And that's when she realized her trust issue wasn't with him, it was with herself. You try controlling their clothes and movement, telling your partner how to dress, who they can follow on social media, or where they can go alone. Is not love. It's fear masked as protection. Yes. You're not wearing that. When Marcus told Tasha she looked too good to go out in a dress without him, she stopped going out. Not because she agreed, but because she didn't want the argument. And slowly, she started to lose herself. You compete with everyone around you. Do you feel the need to always prove you're better than their ex? Or hate on a friend because they are too close? That's not trust. That's competition, and it never ends well. They battle with their ex. Laura will bring up her boyfriend's ex in every argument, even though they broke up years ago. She stalked her online, tried to copy her style, and even accused him of still liking her. Eventually, he said, "I can't keep apologizing for something I didn't do," and walked away. You feel relief when they are down? This runs deep. If you feel more secured when your partner is sad, stressed, and homebound, because it means they are not out there enjoying life without you, your jealousy has become toxic. Yes, I'm happiest when they are not out. James felt uneasy whenever his girlfriend went on solo trips. So when she cancelled plans or came home early, he secretly felt good. But that's not healthy. It's codependency rooted in control. You create fake cheating scenarios in your head. Sometimes the cheating is only in your imagination, and it's not because of something your partner did. It's because you haven't healed from what someone else did to you. Acting distant based on your immigration or imagination. Nina distanced herself from her boyfriend for a whole week because she dreamed he was cheating. When he asked what was wrong, she said, "You know what you did," but he didn't. She was trapped in a past wound, projecting it onto someone innocent. Understanding the roots, fear, insecurity, and past trauma. Toxic jealousy isn't about the person you're dating. It's about the part of you that is still hurting. It's the voice that says, "I'm not enough. I will be abandoned. I will be replaced." And until you heal that, no amount of loyalty from your partner will ever feel safe. How then do you heal? By rebuilding trust within yourself. Start with self-awareness. Journaling your triggers and patterns. Have real conversation with your partner using "I feel" language. Seek therapy or healing communities. You are not crazy. You are hurting, and there is help. There is healing, and there is hope. Choose love, not fear. Toxic jealousy destroys the very thing you're trying to protect: connection. But once you become aware of the signs, you can change. Remember, choose healing, choose honesty, choose freedom. If this message resonates with you, drop in a comment and let's talk about it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mira TV, because your heart deserves healthy love. See you in my next video.